tropical storm is taking over in the Gulf of Mexico. That story tops this morning's Breakfast Buzz.
That's right. Tropical Storm Bill formed last night and it is headed for Texas today. In some of the same places soaked by record-setting rains just weeks ago. Heavy rain is expected across East Texas. Officials say barricades and emergency vehicles will be ready, and they are on alert for flooding yet again.
Swimmers on the North Carolina coast are on the lookout after 3 shark attacks in 4 days. One 14-year-old girl and one 16-year-old boy both lost arms in the same area on Sunday within an hour and a half. Officials have put out word to be cautious, but the beaches are still open. No word exactly on what kind of sharks were involved in the latest attack. North Carolina had 4 shark attacks all last year.
Rachel Dolezal has stepped down as president of the Spokane, Washington chapter of the NAACP. In a letter posted on the group's Facebook page, Dolezal writes that leaving her post is, quote, in the best interest of the NAACP. Dolezal made headlines last week when her estranged parents accused her of falsely portraying herself as black. Her Montana birth certificate states she was born to 2 white parents. Dolezal will speak for the first time in an exclusive interview with Matt Lauer this morning on the Today Show.
Former Florida Governor Jeb Bush is now presidential candidate. Bush, the Republican, announced he's running for the White House with a speech and rally in Miami. He's the 11th person in his party to announce a presidential run. Bush said the United States is on a, quote, very bad course, blaming Democrats for economic problems, too much government regulation, and shrinking the military.
Actress Laverne Cox is getting her own wax figure at Madame Tussauds Wax Museum in San Francisco. This marks the first time a transgender person has been given the honor of being memorialized at the iconic museum. Cox stars in the hit Netflix series Orange is the New Black and is a transgender activist. The figure will be unveiled on June 26th during Pride Weekend activities in Northern California.